Hello and happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Let's do the daily CSS battle. All right. Get a yellow plus sign with squares around. Okay. What do we got? How are we going to do this? What's the right way to do this? Yesterday we did 4 elements that were symmetrical, right? I think today I'm feeling. What am I feeling? I'm feeling. How about? Boy, decisions. Let's look at. Or let's go with what we did yesterday. That's the same deal. Okay, so what are we gonna do? Okay, so I think yesterday we did 3 or 4 anchor elements that with style set so that the body is display flex, has margins of 50 and let's say 40 and 100, flex wrap of wrap, and each one of these has a certain look, and it has a height and width. We'll start at 60 and a height of 60, and it has a background. I think in this case what I kind of want to do is do borders on the right and left. So let's do a background of like that. We're going to need a gap of the gap of 0 is we don't need that actually. All right, up. And we need to put black as our background, or 35312F. Okay, so let's move. So it looks like 100 is correct, 50 and 100, great. So as I make this width more, it should wrap 7, 8, 9, 100. I think that's correct, and it's probably a square. So yes, so there we've got our elements. So the second one will be flopped over the x-axis. The third one is flopped on the y-axis, and the fourth one is flopped on both the x and y-axis. So when we do a transform on this element of a scale, it's var -x or 1, and var -y or 1. And then for the x attribute, -x will be -1, and for the y attribute, -y will be -1. And we can't see that yet because we don't have a background that is doing that. So let's do that background, and let's do that conic gradient of transparent 75%, orange 0. Boom. Not bad at all. And then we will have, so we'll set pink just to be, and then let's actually do this. So we're going to change that later, but we're going to put this in the upper corner. That would be 100 pixels. No, 80 pixels. and no repeat. Okay. Getting there. So how is it too wide? 70. 71. So 2. Interesting. 72. 72. So pretty close already. So what are we missing? We are missing the center of that gradient. We're going to move to be at, and we'll start it low, 30 pixels, 30 pixels, comma. So now it's about moving the center of that gradient, which in this case is just for this 72 by 72 area. I suppose because we know, I think this will be what, 72%? 72%. We have a nice even 100 width for each one of these elements, so that's clean. So let's get this going. 40, 50, 55, 56. And will it work with percent? Yes, no, it won't. And then it's probably a square, so we'll just do 56. And I think that's it. And the question is, can we do a different repeat? Probably not. X, that's what repeat X gets you. And that's what repeat Y gets you. Interesting, almost like the I Ching, but no, it's incorrect. And we have to do this additional background. Now we can we do that? No, we can't do that. I was wrong. I was thinking that we could make this transparent, but what that's going to do is let this backup color shine through, and we don't want that. We want to actually have that gradient be this. So that conic gradient, let's set that pink. So that conic gradient is really just this upper square. So you can kind of see what that is, and it's flopped because of the CSS var transforms that we did. All right, so bring it all together, put this background color in, let's minify, let's unit replace, nothing particular there, and then we submit, and we're good to go. I believe that's 100%. If it's not 100%, I will be very surprised. Ah, yes, and happy Thanksgiving. I am thankful for hitting 100% on that CSS Battle. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great rest of your week. Thanks.